Hello and welcome to my channel, and this is a couple of quirky things about the BMW E34. Before we do that, please feel free to subscribe because I upload E34 content weekly. This is going to be a fun sort of video, so enjoy. Damn it, kid. The bonnet will open. Hello dear, can you come to the service box please? It doesn't seem your BMW bonnet doesn't want to be opened. Man, your bonnet's broke. Sir, your bonnet doesn't want to be opened. We've all had that experience to take our lovely E34s to be MOT'd or having work done. And 5 minutes later, the technician comes in and goes, "We can't open your bonnet, mate." Well, that's a design quirk and a safety feature, because when you're blasting down the autobahn at 155 miles an hour and your bonnet opens, the normal way, it would trash your roof. But opening it this way, it will not trash your roof and you'll be safe to speed another day. Wear the seatbelt. Wear the seatbelt, dude. Wear the seatbelt. We've all heard this question before from newcomers when we're getting to your lovely BMW E34. Wearing my seatbelt? Why are my seatbelts like this? That's weird. Well, as you know, the anchor points are in the middle and the clips are on the outside, and there's a reason for this. Even though it's a quirk, it is another one of BMW's safety features. Now that means if you have a twang or a crash, the emergency services can unhook you from the outside of your car. Another cool E34 feature was a stereo that turned up the faster you was going. Now how cool's that? So you don't have to mess with your stereo while you're on the autobahn clocking speeds. Another thing some E34s had was auto dip mirror. That means when your mum asks you to go shopping and it takes all day and you come out and it's dark and you're getting blinded by a person behind you when you're trying to choose which German bee you like, the car will automatically adjust the mirror so you don't get blinded. How cool's that? Another quirky thing is, if you put your lights on number setting 2 on the interior and you hold your door handle, it illuminates the inside of your car before you put the key in. Now that's quirky, but again it's another safety feature, so you can see what's in your car, who's in your car, before you get into your car. Now, we've all done this. It's been in the summer and we forgot to wind up our windows, but luckily we are E34 owners and our E34s can do this. You lock it and you go down again. And that locks and closes the sunroof and all 4 windows. How cool is that? That's been a fun and quirky look at the BMW E34. Please remember, I upload E34 content weekly, so be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on one of my future videos. But until then, bye bye.